Hello everyone, welcome to our video, our game with from a player from India. So this is the final scenario, and the opponent resigns. So let's try to analyze the game. So the opponent plays e4, plays e5. Theory rolls on, knight b4 bishop. We defend it. So this is a royal office opening. So still following the lines. Attack. Okay, so still book move. Still following the lines. And this is still a book move. But here we were able to have the one pawn advantage. Okay. So we immediately decide to capture the knight. No, the bishop. Then he had the double pawns. Try to develop all our piece. So it's already 2 pawn advantage. This is a mistake. The best move is capture the, as you can see the arrow, capture this pawn is the best move. But so it was accepted, it was protected. Develop a rook, then capture the bishop. The best move is rook later, guys. And this is a mistake, not ideal. Your pawn would come under fire. So it should be this particular pawn here is the best move. But to do that, we also made a mistake. And this is an inaccuracy. Yes, that's our plan. So we capture. And here resign. Why did he resign? It's one piece, no? Because of that tactic called pin. There's really a pin. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye bye.